Assalamualaikum. My name is Arusa Maksoom. Today my topic is planning a prose and poetry lesson. Let's see what is prose. Etymologically, the word prose is derived from the Old French prose, which in turn originated in the Latin expression prosa oratio, which means literally straightforward or direct speech. Prose is written in words, phrases, sentences, paragraphs, and chapters. Lesson planning of prose. The lessons to be delivered in prose involve various steps. These steps are called as the components of a lesson plan. Motivation. It may include the use of teaching aids like flashcards, models, charts, posters, material aids, etc. Use of previous knowledge of students and then a brief introduction about the lesson. The teacher can introduce the lesson by testing the prerequisite knowledge assumed. He can ask a few questions in the beginning. These are called as the introductory questions and are asked to arouse the curiosity among the students for new lesson. A teacher could motivate his students through using aviates and also through asking questions. The motivation or introductory session should automatically and spontaneously lead to the point where the teacher can declare the day's topic and move on to the presentation part. Presentation. It is the main and the lengthiest part of lesson plan. The teacher has to present the lesson. Presentation part includes following subdivisions. Model reading by the teacher. In case of a prose lesson, the teacher should read out the material loudly, being sure that his voice is audible. He should be very clear about the pronunciation, intonation, stress, rhythm, style, etc. Loud reading by the students. Loud reading can ensure the correct tone, pronunciation, fluency, etc. on spot only. The teacher can correct any errors so that the students do not carry on mistakes with them forever. Difficult words or structures to be dealt with. The teacher has to expose, clear, and explain the new words. Difficult words, structures, idioms, phrases, and other grammatical items. The exposition of all these items and their clarification is the main purpose of prose teaching. Silent reading by the students. This clarifies each and every point individually and increases the students' comprehension. Recapitulation. The teacher may again sum up what was taught in the day's lesson. The teacher may clarify the students' doubts, if any, and may explain few words or sentences again, and which he thinks need more repetitive and elaboration. The last part is evaluation. The main object of evaluation is to test whether the set objective has been achieved or not. At the end of each lesson, the teacher should put some application questions to evaluate the success of the lesson plan in achieving the predetermined objectives. The evaluation can be carried out by means of questions, assignments, blackboard work, dramatization, etc.